Hello children, I hope you all are fit and healthy at your places. Today we are going to read the poem Bird Talk. In this poem we will cover the following points: recitation of poem, explanation, new words, question answer, draw and learn. This poem is about two birds sitting in a garden and are talking about people. Do you know how do birds fly? Do you ever think about them? How they grow? What they eat? No. But do you know? Birds think about us. What do you think? Birds find people funny or not? To know what they think about us, let us read the poem written by Eileen Fisher. Before that, let me tell you who is Jay and who is Robin. The bird on your left side is Jay and the bird on your right side is Robin. Before reciting the poem, we will study about these two birds. There are 35 to 40 birds species of jay. In your book, it is given about a blue jay. The 30 centimeter blue jay, blue and white with a narrow black neckline, is found in North America. Where it is found? In North America. It is of blue-white color with a black neckline. It belongs to the crow family. Jay means a person who chatters. Chatters means talks a lot rudely. Rudely means not in a good way. It is an American robin. You can identify it with its reddish orange chest easily. It eats beetles, fruits, berries, etc. It sings sweet songs. Robin eggs are light blue. So children, don't you find this bird very beautiful? Yes, I know you find it very beautiful. So children, let us read the poem and understand what the robin and jay are talking to each other about the people, about us. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay, sitting in the garden talking one day. Think about people the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. One day, the two birds, Robin and Jay, were sitting in a garden. They both were talking to each other. They were saying to each other that, have you ever think about people? They are discussing about the growth process of people. They are saying to each other that how weird the people grow. They don't have even feathers at all. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Here they is used for people. So birds are saying to each other that people don't eat beetles, they don't even grow wings, and they don't like sitting on wires and things. So beta, what do you think? Who sits on wires and things? Yes, Robin and Jay, they both like to sit on wires and things. They have wings to fly and they eat beetles too. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? They were saying to each other, think means socho. Aren't people funny to be that way? They are finding us very funny. Why? Because we don't do things like them and our growth process is totally different from them. Now let us learn the word meanings. Feathers, soft light things that cover a bird's body. Funny, that makes us laugh. Jay, a bird having blue feathers in the wings or tail. Robin, a small brown bird with a reddish orange chest. Wires, thin metal threads used to supply electricity. Let us do the question answer. Name the two birds in the poem. The two birds are Robin and Jay. Second question, what are the three things that people can do? The people can sit on wires, don't eat beetles, and can't get feathers and wings. Question 3, what do birds think of people? Birds think that people are very funny. Now look at your screen and try to draw these three pictures nicely in your notebook. Thank you.